view. We talk about table now already. Now we will talk about view. In database, you can see SW we have database, and in here, if we create new table, it will list a table in here, and in here we have a view. So what is view? View is a virtual table based on the result of SQL statement. View can contain row and column like the real table. This field are from another table. For example, we have two tables like this, and now we want to create view. View will be created from another table, 1, 2, or 3 from many tables. So we can use this command create view, and in here select the column from the table and condition. Example, now I create view from two tables. View. Now we select. If we want to rest, we will between two tables in row ID, name, and phrase. ID, name, and phrase, and order ID. Select ID, name, right, in this table, and order ID from customer, order from two tables, where this is the condition, where order ID, where customer ID, where ID in here equal with ID in here, ID in here. Customer table ID is one. Order ID. At this time, we will have a new view, include 1, 2, 3, 4 columns. So why we need to create view? Because if we after we create view like this, and we will have a new same like a new table with 4 columns, and we can see clearly order ID, with customer order this one in the new table. We will have ID in customer name, address, and order ID. In only one in this table, we can see all the information. Customer order ID, customer who order, we can see clearly. We don't need to see in the two tables. So view you to combine, select the column from many tables. In here is example to create view from multi-table. We can create view from 3, 4 or 5 tables, not only 2. Because example in here we have product, but in here product ID, product ID 1, 2, 3, and product ID, product ID 1, 2, 3, and something. If we only see product ID 1, 2, 3, we don't know the name of product. So every time we need to combine product name from another table. Example, we have table product. ID and function. We can combine on the view. So in this view, it will list out on information. Customer order, product name, the description. We can see clearly. After React view, and we want to change the we want to add more column or remove column, we can use enter view. Same with table, enter table in your view, we will use enter view. Example, we want to add more category column to this view, and we will enter view and more column in here from table product, and this is condition. Product view, if we don't use